Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Harne. I am a second year computer engineering student of ZIL College of Engineering and Research Pune. Under the project based learning, me and my team's members Harshada, Vaibhav, Harsh and Yash have completed a project stock price prediction using machine learning under the guidance of Professor Shesagar sir. Predicting how the stock market will perform is one of the most difficult things to do. There are so many factors involved in the prediction. Physical factor versus psychological, rational and irrational behavior, etc. All these aspects combine to make share prices volatile and very difficult to predict with a high degree of accuracy. We use machine learning as a game changer in this domain. Using features like the latest announcement about an organization, their quarterly renew result, etc. Machine learning techniques have the potential to unearth patterns and insights we didn't see before, and this can be used to make wonderingly accurate prediction. The main objective of the project is to predict the stock closing price based on their previous closing data. In this project, we will predict stock closing price using machine learning. We will grab the stock history using Yahoo Finance API, and based on that, we will train our model and try to predict the stock closing price. Python library which we are using: Matplotlib, NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, sklearn, TensorFlow. First of all, let me tell you about how our project is going to work. In this project, we'll fetch the stock price history using API, and we will train our model based on the previous closing prices. After that, we tested our model and its accuracy, and lastly we will able to get the stock closing price for the next day. Let's see how our project is going to work. As you can see, we divided our code in parts for better understanding. First, we have to import all the libraries that we are going to use. After that, we will load the data from API. Then we will prepare our data for training. Then we will build our model. After model building is completed, we will load the test data and make prediction on test data. After that, we will plot a graph of actual price and predicted price, and then finally we will able to predict the stock closing price. It has led to the conclusion that it is possible to predict stock market with more accuracy and efficiency using machine learning techniques. In the future, the stock market prediction system can be further improved by utilizing a much bigger dataset than the one being utilized currently. This would help to increase the accuracy of prediction model. Note, it is only a project which predict the close price based on their past closing history only. We will not say that our prediction is 100% accurate. Therefore, before investing in any stock, do your research thoroughly. At last, thank you for watching our video, and specially thanks to our guide Professor Shesagar sir for guiding us, and also thanks to ZIL College for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
ZIL Education Society, redefining excellence.